Meaning of heroine.
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 Heroine. The word heroine refers to a woman who displays outstanding courage, strength, and moral character in the face of adversity or danger. She may also be portrayed as a female leading character in a literary work or film. A heroine can inspire and motivate others with her bravery and determination. However, the term has also been used to refer to a female drug addict, specifically one who regularly uses heroin. It is important to distinguish between these two meanings of the word, as the latter is associated with serious health risks and negative social consequences.